Hi folks, Mark here at Ponderosa Garden Adventures. Real quick, today I'm going to show you how to make salsa from ingredients from the salsa garden. Let's get started. Today we're going to be making salsa from homegrown ingredients, all grown here at the Ponderosa. Thanks for watching Ponderosa Garden Adventures. So we've got vine ripened champion tomatoes. We have homegrown garlic. We have homegrown green onions, scallions. These are actually volunteers. And we have three kinds of peppers. We have serrano. We have a purple jalapeno. And I think this is a jalapeno. The label on the plant said it was an ancho or poblano, but this looks more like a jalapeno. But these serrano look like they're ready to be used. This one's getting really soft. So I'm going to throw these in and keep the jalapenos for later. And then we're going to put them here in the food processor, blend it all up, and make it into salsa. As you can see, I'm using 3 large tomatoes from our garden. These are from a champion tomato plant in Corfu. And 3 large tomatoes is about 1 pound, roughly 450 grams. I'm just cutting them into quarters because I'm putting them in the food processor, and that is going to chop them up. 3 tomatoes is about 450 grams, and it's going to make about 1 cup of salsa, maybe a little more, about 300 milliliters of salsa. So just enough tomatoes to fill the food processor. These serrano peppers were grown in our garden as well. I like serranos because they have a nice consistent heat. These green onions were volunteers growing in Corfu, so I moved them out to the wildflower garden, and I harvested them recently when I cleaned out the wildflowers. They're going to add a nice oniony flavor. And finally, a few cloves of garlic from 1 bulb of the many that we grew out in the 2x4. They came out a little small, so I'm going to use a whole bulb to get the equivalent of 2 cloves that the recipe requires. Alright, well let's put the lid on and let's crank it up. Here it goes. Ooh, that looks like salsa right there. Well, I think we're done. Let's test this out. Alright, let's give it a test. Here goes. Homegrown salsa. Really good. You can use a little more garlic. Maybe a pinch of salt. Very tasty. This is the way I do it, folks. Doesn't get any better than this. Thanks for watching Ponderosa Garden Adventures. See you next time.